Yesterday we had a clean sweep. That means we won everything which we predicted yesterday. We won the 2 sleeps which I dropped yesterday on YouTube. We also won the 1 sleep which I dropped in our Telegram channel. A big congratulations to us. Yesterday was very, very massive. We go again today. So without wasting time, let us quickly recap our yesterday's results. Then we move into our today's football prediction. So starting with the first sleep which we went for yesterday, we had a Norway versus France from the World Cup game. We went for double chance home away to win, and the total goals to be for 1.5 goal. The match ended in 1-4. France won with 4 goals yesterday. France is currently trying in this World Cup. They won 4 goals yesterday, which is not an easy task. We also had Senegal versus Iraq. We went for Senegal to win, in which the match ended in 5-0. Senegal really performed yesterday, 5 goals in a single match. They performed very, very well yesterday. And we also have Uruguay versus Spain. We went for Spain to win or draw, in which the match ended in 0-1. Spain just won the game with 1 goal, and it was successful. That was the first sleep that we went for yesterday. And moving over to the second sleep which we went for yesterday, we had from Australia, South Australia, we had Adelaide Comot versus Adelaide City. We went for double chance home away to win, in which the match ended in 0-1. It was successful. The away team won with 1 goal. And also we have from Zimbabwe Premier Soccer, we had Scotland FC versus Monica. We went for home team to win, in which the match ended in 5-0. The home team really tried, scoring 5 goals in a single match. And also we have from international club friendly games, we had FK Jablonec versus FC Vlissim. We went for home team to win or draw, in which the match ended in 2-1. It was successful. And we had international club friendly games. We have PK Robin versus FC Kamas. We went for double chance home or draw. The match ended in 1-1. It was successful. So that was the game that we went for yesterday. A big congratulations to us. And also in our Telegram channel, we also had the winning. I won't be recapping that. I don't want this video to be long. So without wasting time, let's quickly get into our today's football prediction. And before we continue, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, or you like what we do here, please ensure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you're not going to miss it. So starting with the first sleep which we have today, we have from the World Cup. The first game here we have Croatia versus Ghana. The team for this game is Croatia to win or draw, and the total goals to be under 4.5 goal. From my analysis, I'm expecting this game may end in draw. I'm not expecting much game. This game may end in 0-0 or 1-1 from my analysis. And also we have from World Cup, we have Panama versus England. The team for this game is double chance to home or away to win, and the total goals to be over 1.5 goal. From my analysis, I'm expecting England to win. It's England to win this game. England needs this game. They need to win this game, and they need to score a lot of goals. I'm expecting a lot of goals in this particular match. You can also go with England to win or draw, and the total goals to be 1.5 goal. I believe England has all it takes to win this game. This is a game that they really needs to win. And also we have from Colombia. You have Colombia versus Portugal from the World Cup. We are going with a total of 1.5 goal. I believe 2 goals is very, very possible in this particular match. Portugal, they have quality players. They know how to produce a lot of goals. Also, Colombia know how to concede goals. I think both teams to score is also possible here. I'm expecting a lot of goals in this particular match. And lastly, we have Congo versus Uzbekistan. The team for this game is Congo to win or draw. Uzbekistan has, they are not on form. In their last game, they are constantly losing. But Congo, I think Congo has upper hand to winning or drawing this game at full time. And the B code will be displayed on the screen. Yeah, that is the B code that will show us all the very best. And moving over to the second sleep which we have today, we have just 4 events. The first events come from the International Club Friendly Games. We have AEF Aarhus versus Viborg. See, for this game is home team to win or draw. The home team has been winning back to back. I'm expecting them to easily win or draw this game at full time, which is very, very possible. They are playing at home, fan support and everything. This is a game that they need to win. I'm expecting them to put in their very best in this particular match. We also have from Sweden Division 2, we have IK Frankie versus Vigo Homies. See, for this game is double chance home away to win. We expect either the home team or the away team to win this game, which is very, very possible. These teams, they know how to produce a lot of goals, and they know how to win. I believe either the home team or the away team has all it takes to win this particular game. We also have from Norway second division, we have a Lacy Kustav versus Brisbane. The team for this game is a double chance draw away. You expect the away team to win or draw this game at full time. The away team has been winning back to back, and they have the qualities to win or draw this game. They also, the away team is very, very high in the table, which I believe they have all it takes to win or draw this game at full time. And moving over to the next match, we have from Finland Kanonin. We have Union Plani versus High Fig. I'm going with a double chance draw away, and the total goes to be over 1.5 goal. The away team, they are very, very high in the table, while the home team, they are very, very low in the table. The away team usually scores massive goals, and I'm expecting similar results here. I expect the away team to either they win this game and they draw this game, and the total goes to be over 1.5 goal. But from my analysis, I'm expecting the away team, maybe this game should end in like 3-0 or thereabouts, from what I see in the analysis. And the B code will be displayed on the screen. Yeah, that is the B code for the second sleep. I wish us all the very best. And please guys, if you have not yet liked this video, ensure that you smash that like button. It will motivate me a lot, and it's help the channel to be pushed to more people. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate. And to you, our returning subscribers, kudos to you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for coming back to watch our videos. So like, comment. I really appreciate. And you that is new to the channel, you're welcome to the winning family. And if you need more prediction, you can check out our Telegram channel, which will be down below in the comment section. All the prediction I drop over there 100% free and well analyzed. And lastly, a quick disclaimer: always remember to bet responsibly. These predictions are not guaranteed. These are just my personal opinion regarding this match. This video is for informational and for educational purposes. And any sleep you feel comfortable with, you are free to edit, you are free to remove, you are even free to make up your own personal sleep by combining this first sleep. You pick a game which you like in the first sleep and pick a game which you like in the second sleep and make up your own personal sleep. But these are the games that I'll be going for today. I wish you all the very best. I will see you guys in the next football predictions. Have a wonderful day. Have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one.